Hello students, now today we do the exercise of lesson number 6, the two gentlemen of Verona. Here from our exercises, the first one is vocabulary. Find one word from the text for each of the following groups of words. Like the first one is spoke in low voice, which is called murmured. Second, a very small and closed division of a larger room is called cubicle. Third, interfere in an annoying way is interrupt. Place to which one travels is destination. Shut and opened the eyes, blinked. Now second, complete the following sentences choosing the right word or words given within the bracket. The first one is, we bought their biggest basket, then here are some words is given to you. First is set in, set against, set off, set upon. So the answer is, we bought their biggest basket, then set off towards town. One could see at a glance her resemblance to her brothers. The boys grew to hate the Germans. You both look rather tired. She answered all questions perfectly. She never put a finger wrong. Now, next one, read and learn how to say the following words. Verona, Villa, Nicola, Juliet, Jacopo, Lucia. Now from the comprehension, answer the following question in about 25 words. First one, what were the two boys doing when the author met them for the first time? The boys were selling wild strawberries at the foothill of Alps when the author met them for the first time. Second, why did Luigi the driver try to stop the author from buying the fruit from the two boys? Luigi the driver stopped the author from buying the fruit from the two boys because he could get fruit much better in Verona. Third, why were the author and his companions strangely attracted to the boys? The author and his companions were strangely attracted to the boys because they were wearing worn out and ill-sized clothes. They were very little children with brown skin, tangled hair and dark earnest eyes. Fourth, cite some examples from the lesson showing the boys' willingness to do any work. So the boys sold fruits, did the work of shining shoes, conducted travelers round the town in the bitter weather. They also hawked newspapers after midnight. These are the examples. Why did the boys make a visit to country every Sunday? The boys made a visit to the country every Sunday to see their sister Lucia. She was suffering from tuberculosis of spine and was admitted in a hospital at Peleta. Next, what sort of dwellings of the boys did the author imagine? What did he really find? The author imagined that the boys would have some humble dwelling. The author saw a large red-roofed villa surrounded by a wild red stone, high stone. Next, what did the author see when he looked through the glass partition? Through the glass partition, the author saw the two boys sitting at the beside of a girl of about 20. She propped up on pillows. The boys were chatting with her. Now, why did the author refuse to go into Lucia's room? The author refused to go into Lucia's room because he did not want to intrude upon the happy family party. Ninth, how did the war affect the family of the two boys? The war affected them badly. Their father, a well-known singer, had been killed in the war. A bomb destroyed their home. It had thrown the three children into the street. They suffered starvation and bitter cold weather. Next question. What was the secret that the author knew but the boys preferred to keep safely? The boys went to the hospital to see their alien sister. She was suffering from tuberculosis of spine. They preferred to keep this secret safely. The author had seen everything, so he knew the secret of the boys. Students, these are the questions of your 25 words. So you have to write it in your fair notebook. Your homework is to complete your copy. Thank you.